Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? It's really wonderful. I am Sufyan. I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Darul Uloom, Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. Presently, I am pursuing personality development class at, at Darul Uloom, Baitul Uloom, Sindgi. Where I learn spoken English and computer. I would like to thank Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my skills. So I want to tell something about time management. Respected teacher and all my brothers, time management is one of the key factor to success any field of work. Time management is very important for your personal life and your career. Time management teach you a patience and how to tackle. Time management teach you and how to tackle difficulties in a space of time. Actually, time management is not just a time management, it's a life management. So it's important that we have to plan to spend our day and use the best of the time. If time used and never get back, so we have to use our time, we have to manage our time very wisely. If we manage our time very wisely, then time management help us to increase our effectiveness and our efficiency. And we can done our time in the very short period of time. We can feel very relaxed. We can get a accomplishment in our day. So we should have to manage our time very wisely, and may Allah grant us to manage our time very intelligently. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillah.